Hey, and welcome back to the channel, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, you're probably watching this because either you already have the 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, and you're looking for the best accessories to buy, or you're in the market for the 15 Pro and want to know what are some of the accessories that you should consider buying. So starting off with the first item, which is the Osnap 4 Lux. Now, one of the best things about an iPhone, especially over the last few years, is of course MagSafe. Now, say what you will about wireless charging, but MagSafe is such an underrated feature. This Osnap 4 Lux is probably the best accessory that you should look into when you get your iPhone. Now, this accessory is super thin, but can also help you use your iPhone more comfortably by popping this middle part out and sliding your fingers through it. With this, you can hold your iPhone more comfortably, spin your iPhone, and fidget with it, but the best part is you can also use this as a kickstand. Now, since this Osnap 4 Lux is so thin, you can keep this on your iPhone at all times and still use accessories like wallets, chargers, and docks with MagSafe. Now, the magnets on these are super strong, so any accessory that you put on here will still work as normal, and you can stick this to any metal surfaces, which is pretty neat. Now, if you bought the iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max to be your main video camera, and if you're anything like me and you're obsessed with shooting in ProRes log, you know that the iPhone limits your frame rate at 4K 30. So that means no slow-mo, and with the internal storage, you're only really able to film less than an hour, even on a 512 gig storage. But this is the PNY Elite X Pro SSD, and this is a 1TB SSD that fits perfectly on the back of the normal iPhone 15 Pro. And with these adapters, you have no excess wires hanging off your iPhone, and it works like a charm. If you have a case on your iPhone, it's even more snug, which will make it even more secure. But yeah, this is my go-to ProRes log solution for my iPhone. And again, I'll leave everything linked in the description below so you can pick these up. And speaking of cases, this next one you usually see on the channel a lot, and it's Dbrand. But if you're a case person or someone who likes to make their iPhone look different and a little bit more unique, but you still want to protect it, I'd look into Dbrand's grip case and their new Hydro Dip skins. This is probably the best design that they've ever released this year, and the grip case just adds to that experience, knowing you'll have a well-protected iPhone that doesn't look ugly. And the case is still relatively slim. Now, this case does feature MagSafe, so I can still attach accessories on the back of the phone like the Osnap 4 Lux like you saw earlier, but probably the best part is you can always change up the skin if you'd like. But yeah, that's Dbrand and their new Hydro Dip skin and their grip case. It's pretty sweet. Next up is for all my content creators or future content creators out there, and with the iPhone's incredible video features, Loom actually sent me their ring light mini as well as their mobile creator kit 2.0, which is perfect for those looking for an all-in-one creator focused kit for the iPhone 15 Pro. First up is the ring light mini. This thing is super neat because it packs a lot of power. It's bicolor. It plugs in via USB-C, so I can plug it into the wall or my power bank, for example. Now, the light is super soft and can give your face an even lit look, and I also love that it comes with a proper stand with a tripod leg and the attachment to put your phone in, which is awesome. And then I have the mobile creator kit as well, which comes with a tripod that extends up to 55 inches with a removable Bluetooth remote so you can hit record on the fly. The creator kit also comes with a super compact LED that gets really bright, and it's bicolor just like the ring light mini, so there's that flexibility to match the ambient lighting around you. And it also comes with a shotgun mic with a shock mount built in and a windscreen. And of course, you get a travel bag with this mobile creator kit 2.0, so you can, travel with this no problem. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the only gear that you need to kickstart your YouTube channel, or if you want to make your short form videos. Now, all you need is your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, a good set of lights, a tripod, a mic, and you're done. Anyways, huge shout out to Loom for sponsoring a portion of this video and for letting me check out their awesome gear. Alright, so most phones nowadays pack huge batteries inside, and even though the iPhone 15 Pro has pretty good battery life and the 15 Pro Max have an even bigger battery inside, there are days when, sometimes we just need that extra juice to get a few extra hours at night, especially when we're playing a little too much games or, have the brightness on the phone way too high while watching videos. Well, this Padoru MagSafe power bank is probably going to be your best friend soon. This MagSafe power bank packs a 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside and charges your iPhone via MagSafe. Now, what's awesome about this is that yes, you can use MagSafe to charge your iPhone, so it's attached to the back of your phone, but you can also charge another device or your iPhone via the USB port under this. And you also have this small display here so you can see how much battery is left on the battery bank. Besides that, if your iPhone's connected via MagSafe, you can also use this same battery bank as a stand in either vertical or horizontal, which is pretty cool. And while we're on the topic of charging and whatnot, if you're looking for the best nightstand charger or an all-in-one charger on the go, you're gonna wanna check these out. This is the Kushu X55 and the X40 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. And these two are really awesome chargers for two reasons. And one would have to be that it charges your iPhone via MagSafe or any Android phone with a MagSafe case up to 15 watts. It can also charge your Apple Watch and your wireless earbuds of choice, preferably, the AirPods Pro, as you can see right here. The second reason is that they also fold down into this small, compact square puck, which is the perfect charger if you're always on the go and you don't have to bring multiple cables and charge your devices separately. Now, as someone who travels a lot, this is now my go-to charger, and it even comes with this nifty case so that you can store your charger, the USB brick, and the USB-C cable. The X40 is made out of aluminum, so it's definitely a little bit more sturdier and a bit more pricey, but the X55 is made out of high quality plastic and it's slightly thicker, but it's more affordable and works just as well as the X40. Alright, now I might get a lot of flack for this, and while some may have good arguments as to why I should recommend other alternatives, I think the best over-the-ear headphones for an iPhone is still an AirPods Max. And even though it still charges via Lightning, I have a solution for that. But yeah, the AirPods Max, I think hands down has the best transparency mode in any headphones. I'd say it's a top 2 best noise canceling over-the-ear headphones in the market. It has really good sound quality, and build quality is obviously top notch. It also just pairs really well with an iPhone and other Apple products, giving you quick access to its settings in Control Center. Now, there are obviously downsides to an AirPods Max, and one of them is that if you have a big head, it might get too uncomfortable after about an hour or two. Second reason, it's extremely pricey with a retail price of $549, and it still charges via Lightning. And 3, it doesn't fold down to a more compact form for travel. Now, the solution to the Lightning port though is if you don't want to have to carry a Lightning cable with you, is to just buy a $10 dongle that has a Lightning tip and a USB-C in. That way, the same cable that charges your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max can now also charge your AirPods Max. I've been testing this for a few weeks now and I've had no problems whatsoever. Alright, now if the AirPods Max is a little bit too pricey for you, you're probably thinking I should recommend an AirPods Pro, which are great wireless earbuds, but this new Nothing Ear that just came out is honestly just as good, if not better sounding than the AirPods Pro. It can connect up to 2 devices. It has ANC, which is on par with the AirPods Pro. It also has transparency mode, which is all right. It's not the best that I've tried for wireless earbuds. I think AirPods Pro still have the best transparency mode. But this has 8.5 hours of battery without ANC and about 40 hours with the charging case, and it's only $150. The new Nothing Ear also supports advanced EQ, so if you don't love the sound profile of the earbuds out of the box, you can easily tune it to your liking via the Nothing X app, which is pretty dope. Now, if you're looking for an everyday carry accessory, this is probably my go-to recommendation, and this is the Nomad Charge Key, the USB-C edition. Now, they do make one for Lightning as well if you have, an older iPhone, but this one is USB-C, which is perfect for the new iPhone 15 series. Now, since I carry my keys with me everywhere I go, I always have a charging cable with me thanks to this product. It's so minimal, and the cables are short enough to where it doesn't really get in the way of things, and the best part, it's magnetic, so it's not just dangling around when I'm carrying my keys. Now, the last one on the list is for my gamers out there, and it's one of the latest products from GameSir, and it's the G8 Galileo. This is a USB-C controller that's a little bit bigger than the popular Backbone controller, which I used to use when I travel. But what I love about this specific controller is that it's bigger, which means the face buttons are bigger, the shoulder buttons are more comfortable to press down on, the D-pad, in my opinion, feels way better, and the analog sticks are just a little bit bigger, but still not as big as the ones from, an actual PS5 or Xbox controller. Now, unlike the backbone controller though, these are Hall effect joysticks and triggers, which means little to no stick drifts or failures in the future. And it has 2 programmable back buttons, which does come in handy in certain games. Now, this also offers USB-C pass-through for charging, as well as a headphone jack. Now, the box does say it's only for Android devices, but this works perfectly fine on the iPhone 15 series and looks even better on the bigger Pro Max. Now, the only downside here is that there's no way to map buttons to the controllers, which I believe the only controller that can do that on iOS is the backbone controller, but don't quote me on that. And yeah, those are some of my favorite accessories or top picks for the iPhone 15 Pro series. If you guys have anything else to add to this list, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.